Morning guys, bit of change of scenery here. Early start this morning out in the old trusty Golf, 5 o'clock, headed out to Dundee because finally we're back with our Anglia and it's getting mapped today. Big day, obviously it's not started, we've not filmed enough of it as always. Like, the effort that's went into it with my dad has been unbelievable. Week in, week out, working with this car. This time around it's had the engine out, it's actually the paint for the first time in a lot of years, and it is heading along here for now a tune up and aiming for maybe 500 horsepower. So I'll run some footage now of how it looked over the winter, over the early summer as well, what we've done to the engine, and I'll see you along at Mac Motorsports to maybe see how we go. Alright. So for you guys that don't know already, this is a fully built engine, low compression, forged pistons. The whole aim this time round was to get a bit of mid-range power. We're still running very low boost. It always has done actually since we've switched to the Garrett turbo. So the whole valve train's been changed, that's new valves, lifters. We've got Brian Crower stage 2 cams installed. Still on the Garrett GT25 550, the old Mark II Escort style air filter location there in the old Causies. Really a clean up, ignition wise nothing's changed, ECU still the same. Guys, what do you think of the new wheels? Look at it, how low it's got with these. I do really like them, very tucked. Easy to see the Anglia getting shared company with some of the cars up here. Literally 100+ k rally car off the rolling road to let us on, which is wild. But yep, looking good. It's blending in. I like the new look. MO5 suit it so well. Actually, the Skyline rims I loved, but these completely transform it. Great. Here goes. Here, it's on the rollers now. Hopefully I've done enough commentary of what we've done up to now and what we're trying to achieve with today. So heading on, going to run the cams in first before it gets mapped up. So here's hoping, guys. Just as we're getting set up, a sneak look at the new 370Z pedal. So we'll just set this running for a wee while. It's just like I said, Brian Crower cams do take a wee running in period. Touch wood guys, the only issue so far is a radiator hose leak. So ran in okay, and now the smart guy in the driver's seat, Russ, is just going to start looking at a tune here just to see how it runs as per the original map. So already guys, you can see that was genuinely its first power run. It made 355 at the hubs. Very easy and very happy so far. Like I say, genuinely the map has not been looked at, so onwards and upwards. It's funny, this wee car, and we're experiencing it already here. It's lightweight, it does make a lot of power, and the map does look very aggressive. Weirdly on the road it doesn't quite react the same as the maps sometimes demonstrate, but we're wondering what to do at the moment here, whether we turn it up from now or just clean the graph up a touch. Here, even here on low revs, this turbo spills up mad quick. Well guys, like I said before, it's been quite hard to film this when there's been so much going on, but we've left the high boost setting at only 18 psi, and we're now going for a second low boost map just to make it drivable. So this will just be on a bar, I believe. Going to be switchable very easily manually and bypass the boost controller, so we'll just run this up and see how the low boost one goes. Tell by my face there, it is roasting. The camera is hopefully doing this justice enough, but low boost map, that was 317 to the wheels. Quick last go in the normal boost setting, and then I'll give you guys an update on how it's went today. What a day, another great effort by the boys up here. We know, good relationship now with us and Mac Motorsport. Great effort with the car. I hope I covered it enough there. It was sounding absolutely spot on in the rollers. Really good gains, 60 foot-pound of torque, pretty much through the full rev range, which is crazy. Still running gate pressure, which is again wild, so it's making the power very easily. It's up to, well, as you've seen, 360 wheel at 420 at the engine, and it's making it without genuinely even trying at 6.5k RPM. Doesn't really need to be turned up more than that. There are a few teething issues, so we're hoping to drive it home today, but we'll come back up. I'll probably film it again next time round. We'll get it out on the road, hopefully get it to a show. Obviously I want to get it out and about when we can. He deserves to drive it. It's been a great effort to get it back on the road to now. So thanks again for watching, guys. There'll definitely be more, but I really hope you enjoyed that one, and absolutely buzzing to see it going again, and there'll definitely be more coming. Cheers again.